Hello, fire starters. I'm going to quickly take you through how you can get started on Crowdfire, your super smart social media manager. With Crowdfire, you can save tons of time by managing all of your social accounts from one place. You can sign up using the iOS or Android mobile apps, or even the website at www.crowdfireapp.com. It doesn't matter where you've signed up or subscribed. You can use all the features across all three platforms. Voila! Welcome to your Crowdfire account. The first thing you should do in here is choose topics relevant to your audience. Crowdfire will use these topics to recommend articles and images your audience will love. You can select from a wide collection of topics or simply add your own topics. Once done, Crowdfire will almost instantly recommend articles and images you can share with your audience. You can also block articles by tapping on the drop-down arrow. To share an article, tap on the Share button. This opens up the Tailored Post screen where you can select the social accounts you want to share to, customize your posts, and preview them before scheduling. Next, select the social accounts you want to schedule the post to. In this example, I'm going to select my Twitter account, my personal Facebook, a couple of Facebook pages, my LinkedIn account, and a Pinterest board. Tap on Done. You can also edit the message you want to go along with your post by simply tapping on the card. Next, you want to select a posting option. You can choose between Post Now, which will share your post right away, Post at Best Time, which will automatically post at a time your audience is most active, and Post at Custom Time, where you can choose a specific time and date to post at. I'm going to go ahead with my favorite, the Best Time option. Ta-da! My post has now moved to my scheduled queue. You can access it by tapping on the Scheduled screen. Here, you can check out all of your scheduled posts as well as published posts. You can also post right away, edit your post, or delete the post. You can also reschedule posts that have already been published.
Happy sharing!